been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy, but you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me. Are you getting tired of all my love? I need to know, cause baby, when push comes to shove, I need someone around, someone to hold me down. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in everything? Cause I wanna know that you'll be here, won't just go ahead and disappear. So can you do just one thing? Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. Baby, I'm here and ready to commit, but your lack of dedication, I'm tired of it. So let me know if you're gonna love me or go. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in things every day? Cause I'm in this until the end, so just be real and don't pretend. Cause I can't love someone who's gonna go away. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. Oh, And please tell me you still think of me, detailed and intricately. Does your heart still beat to the sound of my name? Cause I remember that we both promised to never leave a love like this. So tell me that you still feel the same. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers, baby? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers,
Good. Hello guys, I haven't actually addressed you in this vlog yet, but it is pancake day. So I'm gonna make some pancakes, some English style pancakes or French style pancakes, more like crepes, because that's what we prefer and that's what the boy wants. Lemon and sugar style, classic, but we don't have lemon, but we have some lime juice. So I'm gonna try and do the same thing, but it's a pretty simple recipe. Flour, eggs, milk. Yeah, let's get cooking. It is actually, where have I put my phone? It's actually 11:30, so this is more like lunch crepes, pancakes, but we haven't actually eaten yet today, so this is technically breakfast for us. But let's cook them, let's go. because I added a bit of extra milk to the recipe because I thought it needed to be a little bit looser. I realised I've definitely failed here. I also used wholemeal flour, which I wasn't doing on purpose, but I wasn't not doing on purpose. It was the first one in the cupboard and I just grabbed it. Another hindrance to myself is that I don't think my non-stick pan is non-stick anymore. So what I'm going to do is eat these anyway. They taste fine, it's just, they just don't look pretty. But later on, either like an early lunch or even dinner, I don't know when I'll be hungry, I'm going to try and do French style ham and cheese ones, or just cheese ones, I don't know. I'm gonna try that and see if it's a bit better. But I'm still gonna take these up to the boy and see if he eats them, hopefully. We'll see, I don't know. That is a fail, but I'm going to try again. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try again later.
Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? Bad ex-girlfriend and this chick's obsessed with me. I speak truth, but only my reality. Everyone is hurting and I'm trying to be sensitive and give myself the love I want everybody else to give. I gotta be the one for me, cause no one else is gonna be. I gotta be the one for me, cause no one else is gonna be. You never wanna say when it happens to you. Swear I'm not angry, it's just a phase. But I'm tired of waiting to see better days. If I said I love you, meant to say it to myself. Whole world around me, but there's really no one else. Really no one else to hold me like I do. Like I do. The one for me, cause no one else is gonna be. I gotta be the one for me, cause no one else is gonna be.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to...
Bringing you guys a little bit higher so you can see my sweaty face. That was only a 10-minute ab workout, but it clearly got me. And I've been doing a Boho Beautiful workout every day, no matter what it is. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, even if it's less, or like not always a workout, sometimes just like a good morning stretch. Like I open up my homepage on YouTube and like, because I've been watching them quite regularly, a new one pops up on my recommended and I just choose one I like and I do it every morning. And it's a great way to wake up. I've been feeling good doing that every day. But as you saw yesterday, the eating has not been great. So that's something I do need to improve on, which I will be trying to. Now that I've like got this, I think, into my system and I'm doing it quite regularly. I think I was doing it for about a week consistently before my birthday, then took almost a week off after my birthday, and I've been back on it since. So it does feel good. I'm going to carry on with them. Sometimes I do just like a really relaxing yoga stretch. Feels good. No matter what it is, I could just try and do something every day. I know everyone's been out walking and stuff like that. I haven't really been doing much of that, to be honest. So this is like my morning. As you saw yesterday, I failed with the pancakes, and I also failed with doing some savoury runs later on in the evening because we caved a little bit and ordered in some McDonald's. Not the best. I mean, we ordered a lot as well, like I'll put a picture in. So that was a bit of a fail, but I think I'm going to leave you guys here. I don't know what I'm going to have for breakfast actually. Potentially a smoothie, potentially some eggs. I'm not too sure. I haven't decided yet what I'm in the mood for. But yeah, I hope you liked this video, this vlog of a bit of Valentine's Day, a bit of Pancake Day yesterday. As you can see, I am a sweaty mess, so I do need to go and shower. I will link below Boho Beautiful's channel. I will link that video as well if you guys want, but I don't do the same video every day. It depends on what I feel like. Sometimes I'll type in like morning stretch, and then sometimes I will just see a workout on the homepage and do it. But I really like her videos. Her voice is really relaxing. The music in the background is quite relaxing. That one there was quite hard. It was only 10 minutes, but proper got my sweat on. But yeah, probably in the next vlog, hopefully you'll be sharing with me some healthier foods that I'm eating. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a good week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. I just wanted to let you guys know the report from Valentine's Day is still sitting here because we're old now. I am 30, the boy's a little bit older, and we fell asleep after all the pasta and garlic bread. That is age for you.
I am the one.